After successfully installing the CB series ECG analysis software, the first thing that the software will ask you will be to use the port wizard to help identify which recorder that you're working with. Because information is transmitted from the software to the recorder using infrared adapter, the communication port needs to be established. If you know the communication port you're using, that can be added in. Otherwise, the USB communications adapter, infrared bridge adapter, is plugged into a USB drive on your computer. If this is the first time you're installing it, the computer will briefly identify the device and make sure it's properly working. The next step, just following the port wizard instructions, clicking on next. What you want to do at this point is to make sure that your recorder has batteries, and you will point the recorder and the infrared adapter at each other, making sure that the infrared window is pointed at the window on the infrared adapter, a few inches away. You don't want it to be too far or too close. And then coming back to the wizard, clicking on start. The software will take a few minutes searching all the communication ports to see which port is communicating with the recorder that you've chosen to work with. This is important because the software needs to know which recorder it has to communicate with, and otherwise might give you errors in the process of setting up data of a transfer. Okay, because you see here it says, okay, found one recorder, the CB2301. It's successful, it's ready to set up files. The next step will be to set up the parameters for recording.